Hi everyone, my name's Becky Toll, owner-founder of Crowbury Consulting Limited, enabling sustainable futures, and I'm here today to reintroduce version 2 of our software as a service partnership for calculating your entire organisation's carbon footprint simply and easily for scopes 1, 2 and 3. So when you log into the software as a service, you'll see a sort of holding page here which shows you your total emissions per employee. You can even have it by turnover and total entries recorded. The date range, you can set it however you like, per calendar year, per quarter. You can see there, month, quarter, last year. So you've got lots of flexibility with the date ranges for your data. So we're just going to have a look at Crowbury Consulting. However, if you have more than one location or more than one business around the world, multiple entities, multiple geographies, you can simply add your organisations here. So when we click on our portfolio profile, if you like, you're met with what we call the dashboard. And this is where you've got the opportunity to enter your data. You can generate your report up here. We'll come back to that in a minute. And you can see your scopes 1, scopes 2 and scope 3. We're actually in the middle of finishing our year for 2025. And it will show you a graph, emissions over time, and the peaks and the troughs. You know, this is business travel for us throughout the year. And it gives you, again, quite a nice handy visual breakdown of your location, your total emissions per employee, and the date that it was last updated. So just in terms of the dashboard, lots of things you can do. If you open up this little icon here, you'll see the word emissions, and your top emissions will be revealed to you in terms of tonnes CO2 equivalent, whether it's business travel, purchased electricity, heat and steam, employee commuting, waste, whatever it may be. And you've got the breakdown of the different emissions scopes as per the greenhouse gas protocol, so scope 1, 2 and 3. And all that data can be added to the system, software as a service, in the form of CSV files, and you can add targets if you'd like to as well. So on the emissions tab, it does go into quite a lot of detail, and you can add emissions here by scanning in your data, uploading your information. So it's quite intuitive to use, and it will obviously give you the entries and emissions, the date range, the date you submitted it, when things were submitted, and the types of different business emissions, purchase goods and services as well. So the purchase goods and services is quite useful because you can use the CSV file from your bank data or your Outlook, your Quickbooks, your Sage, Xero or Quickbooks, and this CSV file can then be added to where it says add emissions. So it's very intuitive in that sense, and it doesn't involve Excel spreadsheets. So going back to the dashboard, you're then able, once you've populated your data, you can see your total emissions scope here. So at the minute we're around about 35 tonnes CO2 equivalent, but we're still populating our data for 2025. And then you can generate your report, which I did say we'd come back to. So again, you can select a date range. It could be a full calendar year, or it could be your financial year. It's totally up to you. And you can set those parameters there. So total carbon footprint broken down by scopes as per the GHG standard, which is the international standard. So if you're asked by a supplier or a customer for a full and accurate carbon footprint, scopes 1, 2 and 3, all you then need to do is download the report, and you can email it, especially if you're being asked for your carbon footprint as part of a tender submission, or to win, a new customer, because part of your carbon footprint is their carbon footprint through the scope 3. So I'm hoping, folks, that you've looked through this software as a service partnership that we have, and you're impressed by what it can do. It is a monthly subscription fee, a bit like subscribing to any streaming service that might be out there, and it is obviously up to you to scan in your data as accurately as you can do throughout the year, but the software will do the rest. And this software does now include AI, so if you're not sure what scope something is in, the AI will give you a suggestion as to what scope it should be in. And the carbon conversion factors, so how do we calculate the CO2 equivalent? That's also a database of over 40,000 international CO2e conversion factors from IPCC and national governments around the world. So you can trust the information, you can trust the data. And if you're interested in taking on the software as a service, please get in touch with us today at crowberryconsulting.com, or follow us on socials, or simply reply to this video message that we've put together for you. And we hope we can work with you on your carbon footprint, your emissions, and then obviously set in a carbon management reduction plan linked to the ISO 14068-1, Climate Change Management Part 1 Carbon Neutrality. We also have a course, an accredited CPD points course on that ISO as well. So we're here to help you not only manage your emissions, but to take action and start to reduce them as well. So thanks very much for listening, and hope to hear from you soon around our software as a service for full scopes carbon management. Thank you very much for listening.